There are rare moments in our species' history when borders dissolve, languages fade, and all of humanity becomes a single audience staring at the same point in the night sky.
Harvard's top scientists saying it could be a nuclear-powered alien craft. An object zooming through our solar system is challenging notions of scientists.
These are the highest resolution images we have. 3 times better in spatial resolution, about 30 kilometers per pixels. That there are new facts about this object that make it even more interesting than it was before. We are a relatively young technological civilization, and one can imagine a more advanced civilization having an agenda, some goals that are long-term in interstellar space, and therefore we might find probes that are still functional and are entering the solar system with a purpose. And the question is, what is that purpose?
Curious about a visitor from another star. 3I Atlas is not just another comet. It is the third confirmed interstellar object humanity has ever seen, a messenger that left its home system long before our species learned to walk upright. And now, as it retreats back into the night, we have a final chance to watch it together, a collective farewell. But before I talk about the live stream, I want to explain why this moment matters and why 3I Atlas has compelled hundreds of scientists, thousands of amateurs, and millions of ordinary people to pay attention. 3I Atlas entered our solar system quietly, almost anonymously. At first, it looked like just another faint smudge, the kind astronomers detect every week. But as more data came in, that smudge began to whisper secrets. Its trajectory was too steep, too fast, too unbound to be of this solar system. Its composition, especially its unusual water leak behavior, defied what we understood about thermal physics in deep space. And then came the structural anomalies, spectral features that hinted at complex organics, metallic traces, even internal layering. It wasn't behaving like a normal comet. It wasn't following the gravitational script. To me and to others, this meant one thing: nature was giving us an opportunity. When Oumuamua passed by in 2017, we were unprepared. We had no telescopes aligned, no intercept missions ready, no coordinated effort. It came and went in a blink, leaving scientists arguing over what it even was. But this time with 3I Atlas, we were ready. Collaborations formed across continents. Infrared instruments, radio arrays, and visible light telescopes all turned toward this visitor. In that growing scientific chorus, something even more beautiful emerged: the public hunger to participate. Suddenly, the world wanted to see not filtered simulations, not artists' impressions, but the real thing, live, raw, distant, ancient. That is how today's live stream was born, when the Virtual Telescope Project announced that they would host a worldwide live telescope stream. I wasn't surprised, but I was deeply moved. In academia, we often forget that science belongs to everyone. The universe is not the property of institutions. It is the shared heritage of every human being. This live stream, free, open, and accessible, is a reminder of that truth. Thousands of people will gather digitally to watch a tiny dot of light drift across the black canvas of space. They won't see fireworks. They won't see explosions or dramatic
had
color.
a close encounter of some kind.
Yeah, well, there was this object discovered in 2017.
On October 19th of that year, Hawaii's powerful Pan-STARRS telescope spotted a mysterious object whizzing by. It was traveling so fast at nearly 200,000 miles an hour, astronomers concluded it must have originated from outside our solar system, the first such interstellar traveler ever detected. It was given the name Oumuamua, the Hawaiian word for scout. About the size of a football field, most scientists believed it was just an oddly shaped asteroid or comet, but not Loeb.
There is some evidence that looks unexplainable.
It belongs out in the open where anyone can reach for it. Right now, as 3I Atlas accelerates away from the sun, astronomers are studying it at a feverish pace. Its post-perihelion evolution tells us more about its internal structure than any pre-perihelion observation ever could. Here's what we know so far. Number 1, the nucleus survived. Most comets fragment violently when passing near the sun, but 3I Atlas endured, although visibly stripped and reshaped. This tells us its internal cohesion is stronger than typical comets. Number 2, its water leak pattern changed. Before perihelion, water escaped rhythmically in pulses. After perihelion, the emission became chaotic, suggesting deeper internal cracks exposed by solar heating. Number 3, it is moving faster than predicted. A slight non-gravitational acceleration similar to the Oumuamua anomaly has begun to appear in telemetry. Is it natural outgassing? Is it radiation pressure or something else entirely? We don't know yet. Number 4, it has entered a phase of thermal quenching. This is a rare behavior where an object cools too quickly, causing internal stresses that can reveal layered geological histories. For scientists, this is a treasure chest. For the public, the live stream is a chance to watch this fragile survivor fade into the deep. And for me, this is the moment where humanity's curiosity becomes the main character. If you followed my work, you know I have spent decades asking a simple question. Are we alone? And deeper still, is our solar system typical or an exception? Every interstellar object that passes through our neighborhood, whether natural or artificial, carries a fragment of that answer, not metaphorically, literally. The dust grains shedding from 3I Atlas contain isotopic ratios from another star, mineralogical fingerprints from another planetary system, organic compounds forged under alien radiation, and perhaps clues about the distribution of life's building blocks across the galaxy. When we watch 3I Atlas on the live stream, we are not just watching a comet, we are watching a message in a bottle drifting between suns, carrying information older than Earth itself. This is why I advocate for planetary defense readiness, rapid response missions, and the scientific courage to treat anomalies with respect rather than dismissal. Because the universe is not silent. It's sending us objects, signals, data, and sometimes warnings. Not every object will be friendly. Not every visitor will be harmless. But every visitor is a chance to learn. And knowledge is our greatest defense. Tonight, millions of people around the world will look up, not with fear, not with superstition, but with wonder. They will watch a tiny point of light drift through the camera of a telescope half a world away. They will hear astronomers whisper excitement. They will witness the last visible moments of a traveler that began its journey long before our species existed. And they will feel something I consider sacred, the realization that we are connected not only to each other, but to the cosmos. As 3I Atlas fades, I want you to reflect on one thing. This object does not belong to us. It never did. It was not sent for us, nor shaped for us. And yet we are the ones who noticed it. We are the ones who gave it meaning. We are the ones who pointed our instruments and said, let's learn in a universe 13.8 billion years old. That willingness to learn may be the rarest thing of all. So let this live stream be more than entertainment. Let it be a reminder that when humanity chooses curiosity over fear, unity over division, and wonder over indifference, we rise. And sometimes when we rise high enough, we touch the stars. 3I Atlas is leaving us now. Soon it will vanish into the dark, unseen, untracked, unmeasured. But the questions it leaves behind will stay. And questions more than answers are what keeps science.